Hi everyone, this is Sagar once again and hi everyone. Okay ji, are you guys excited for the giveaways? The kid will get this Defender car, okay, which is an RC car, and the adult will get the Marshall headphones. Is it clear everyone? This in this activity I'll ask you different questions. They could be regarding grammar, jumble words and many other things. Clear everyone? So in the first round I'm going to have some sentences written here. I'll keep calling you guys one by one, okay, and then after we will see who is able to find the mistake in that sentence. Clear everyone? There could be even options to choose the right sentence. There can be 2 or 3 sentences. You need to choose the right sentence, plus you need to explain why is it right and why is it wrong. Is it clear everyone? So let's begin. First, I would like to call Harman, Pushkaran, and Simran. Please, 3 of you, come here. Okay, guys, you can look at the sentences. Whoever is ready, pick up the marker and choose the right answer. Okay, ji. Yes, Harman. Okay, very good, Harman. Pushkaran. Okay, ji. Very good, Kushkaran. So, out of you guys, the winner is Simran because she first came and chose the right answer, which is my friends and I work very hard. Me and my friends is spoken a lot by people, but grammatically it is wrong because me cannot help you to start your sentence. It is an objective pronoun. This is why we always start our sentence with a subjective noun, that is my friends. Me is not the right option. Okay, or even you can use I in the beginning, but me cannot be used. So Simran, congratulations, you are gonna be in the next round. Kindly have a seat. As Kushkaran was late, okay, this is why, wait guys. Okay, as Kushkaran was late and Harman was wrong. Both of you will get one more chance, okay, and let's see who wins in that. Okay, Simran, kindly have a seat, and then after I will choose one of you guys too. Keep standing here. Okay, guys. Quickly. Okay, ji. In this round, the winner is Kushkaran. Congratulations, Kushkaran. Have is a verb which we usually avoid to use with ing. Clear? That is why I am having a car right now is not making very good sense. I have a car right now is making a better sense. Right? Congratulations, Kushkaran, Harmanji. I'm so sorry you failed in the first round. But there are possibilities you will get one more chance. Okay? Yes. So next I would like to call from kids. 3 of you, 1, 2, 3, come here. Okay, guys, whoever is ready, pick up this marker and choose the right option. Very good. First, A option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ji. C option. Which option would you like to choose? A option. So, the winner of this round is, any guess who is the winner? Arav. Arav's answer is right. Okay. You and I are same. Am cannot be used with I here because there is you also. Right? So, congratulations, Arav. You are the first winner. Kindly have a seat. Both of you should stay here. Yes, guys. Okay, Pratyush, you are again wrong. Okay, Manpreet ji, congratulations. You chose the right option. I will meet you tomorrow is the right option. I will met with will. We cannot use second form of verb. I will be meet. Be and meet cannot come together. So this is why our right answer is I will meet you tomorrow. Very good, Manpreet. Have a seat. Okay, it's okay, Pratyush. You will get another chance as well. Next, I would like to call three of you. 1, 2, 3. Or 4 of you come together. Should I go for something difficult now?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very, very hard. No, sir.
Okay, guys. Whoever is ready can choose the blue marker.
A few minutes later.
Easy or tough?
Yes, easy, sir. Very easy.
Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aditi has chosen her option. Option D is chosen by Aditi. Aditi's option is chosen by Drishti also. D option. Oh my god. The students who are in my left side, they chose option C, and the students who are in right side chose the option D. How many of you choose the option D? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Option C. Which option, Kushkaran, do you choose? D. All of you choose the option D. Very good, guys. All of you are wrong. The right answer is C. Congratulations, Rupali and Muskan. You both won the first round. Kindly have the seat. Drishti and Aditi, you guys chose the wrong option. Hard work does not come together. It requires a space. Right? This is why this is wrong option and this is our correct answer. Clear, everyone? Okay, very good. Muskan, did you know that? Or it was just a guesswork?
I saw a video.
Okay, ji, very good. Can I raise this part now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ji. Does anybody know who is the winner?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Aditi.
Yes, Aditi ji, Aditi Didi. Congratulations. This is the right answer. And Drishti ji, you failed. This is the wrong option. Before somewhere we do not use to. Okay, thank you so much. You may get the chance once again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 of you should come here. Easy or tough?
Easy. No, sir, it's your choice.
Okay. You guys have learned modal verbs, right?
Yes, sir.
You can't take too much time. You guys can choose only one option, okay? Please. Yes, guys, which option would you like to choose? Gurpreet. Ranveer Singh. Okay, ji. So as this option is chosen by Pratigya first, so Pratigya is our first winner of this round. Congratulations, Pratigya. Have a seat. Now choose, okay, the right one. Is there any correct sentence? Gurpreet. Okay, ji. Both of them have chosen the right answer. But as Ranveer chose it first, so the winner is Ranveer. Congratulations, Ranveer. Have a seat. It's okay, Gurpreet. You will get one more chance, maybe. Have a seat. Next three of you, please come here. Let me tell you why. Should is also a modal verb, and this mistake usually IELTS students also make. Okay. Should and have to, both are modal verbs and they cannot come together because they are used for the same purposes, for suggestion. This is why we could either choose this option, I have to work hard, or I should work hard. I should worked second form cannot be used with modal verbs. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, guys. Does anybody know who is the winner?
Sir, Saksham.
Saksham. Congratulations, Saksham. You are the first winner. Very good. Have a seat. This is the right option. Whenever you talk about any activity which is done very well, you do not say it. You did it good. You did it well. Very slight difference between good and well. You must know that. Whenever there is a verb in your sentence, then you do not use good. You use well. For example, you run very well. You run very good. Wrong. Okay. Very good, Saksham. Have a seat. Both of you, please turn back.
सर आप बोलते थे इसलिए याद है
Saksham is getting intelligent day by day. Okay, ji. Silence, please don't speak. Very difficult decision. Yes, sir. Both of you guys are wrong. Yes, the right answer is option A. Okay, that is the first one. Do your brothers. Okay, our subject is third plus plural. Plural. So that is why do is there. Okay, with does you cannot use a subject which is plural. Clear? So both of you failed. I'm so sorry, guys. Kindly have the seat. Okay, guys. So the students who failed, they will get a chance to come back. And how many students failed? Raise a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 students, 3 students can get the chance to come back and play the next round. Clear, everyone? So please, 6 of you come here. Okay, guys. Okay, please turn back once again. Sorry. Okay, guys. Quickly. All of you have chosen one option only.
Who is your best friend?
Okay, ji. I guess first it is
Harman.
Harman chose this.
Yes.
Harman ji, kindly have the seat. Okay, silence. Others, please do not participate until I do not ask. Stay quiet.
Sir, it's correct.
Yes, kindly have a seat. There are some other options also, guys, which can be right. You can choose any other option. Y1 किसने choose करा है?
Sir.
Gurpreet, you failed. Please have a seat.
Can I have Sudha also?
Yes. No, you have. Which one did you choose?
Who is
B
your
was
best friend
not-
after him?
Yes, it's okay. You have one more option. Choose. Is there any other sentence which is right?
How is your best friend?
Choose. Okay, ji. Drishti. Okay, ji. So, how is your best friend is chosen by
Sir.
Harman. You are also the winner of this round. Kindly have a seat. Next, where is your best friend? Who chose this first? Pratyush, you are also the winner. Others cannot play in the next round. Okay, please have the seat. Nice, guys. Well played. Okay, ji. So now there will be jumble words. Okay. I will write here a sentence which is not going to be in the order. You guys need to make it in order. Is it clear, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, ji. So in the first round, I would like to call Saksham, Harman, Arav, and Manpreet. No. After this, there are chances you may not get any other chance to win. Clear? So think twice before making your decision to come here and reorder the sentence. Okay. Nobody should speak anything, okay? Congratulations, Arav. This is the right sentence. Very good. Okay, ji. Now between three of you, only one of you can get the chance to win. Okay, please turn back. Yes. Yes, you want to try? Please. Be careful. Okay, ji. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. So, guys, please welcome the chief guest, my sister, please. Yes. So, you guys may already know that she is my sister. She is an RCIC. Okay. Okay, ji. So, the first sentence is written, I will meet you tomorrow. Second one is written, will I meet you tomorrow? And last one is, you will meet I tomorrow. Guys, all of you are wrong
Sir, can I call?
because there is a mistake which is common, okay, that is T, and here also T.
Yes, sir.
It cannot be in capital letter, okay. But still, I wanna give you one more chance. Okay, please turn back and make sure, yes, all of you will get one chance. Sir, cheating? Okay, ji. Okay, Manpreet, go there. Next, who wanna try? Be careful.
Sir, वहाँ पे क्या करना है?
Now your turn is over.
Sir.
Okay, Herman, go there. Saksham ji,
Sir, can I take 5 minutes?
quickly. Make sure you use every word. Congratulations, Saksham. This is absolutely a right sentence. Very good. Okay, both of you, you failed. Okay, kindly have the seat.
Sir, they cannot. Sir, now they cannot play.
There are chances they may not play now. Okay. But nobody knows when the game changes.
Can I drink water?
Yes, sir. Very difficult it was. Oh my god. Next, I would like to call Simran, Rupali, and Aditi. Easy or difficult, guys?
Difficult. Oh, sir, easy.
Okay, guys. Easy है.
I got it. I also.
A few minutes later.
Simran ji, do you wanna try your luck or knowledge? Simran ji, quickly. Okay, ji. So our first sentence is, I should call you before you call me, but one word is missing, that is always. Second is, should I call you always before you call me? as you know, we are even marking the capital letters as well. So 2 times C and C are in capital forms, and if it is interrogative, then why there is no question mark? And our last sentence is, I should call you before you always call me. Okay?
Can I tell the right answer?
No, sir, please. Okay, as all of you made some mistakes, I'm giving you. I already told the right answer, right? So, none of the sentences is actually appropriate. This is why I'm giving you one more chance. Please turn back, guys. Or should I fail them?
It's a
Time taking.
Huh?
Time taking, sir.
Time taking, should I?
Sir,
Yes, sir,
they will
please.
like 30 minutes more.
Okay, I'll go for the easy one this time. Okay. Be careful, guys. One more word, guys. Be careful. Everything matters. Small letter, capital letter, okay? Very good, Aditi. What's wrong with you? Always miss some words. Okay, ji. Can I get the marker back? Okay, Aditi ji did not use all the words once again. Okay, you did not use the word choose and to also. And then after we have one student. I wanna know from you guys. Is it a capital letter or a small letter?
Small. Capital. Sir, small. Capital. Sir, small. This is
I wanna take help from the chief guest. So please be. Is it a capital letter? Can we consider it a capital letter?
Yeah.
Okay, ji. So you should choose what you wanted to choose always. Next one is you should choose what you always wanted to choose.
Sir, this is correct.
Okay. So as Rupali has written this one, and this is also making the equal sense as this one is making. So this is why Rupali is our first winner. Congratulations, Rupali. Kindly have a seat. Okay. Aditi. Okay. And Simran's sentence is also right. Okay. You should choose what you always wanted to choose. Okay. So this is why Simran is also a winner. Kindly have a seat. Aditi, I'm so sorry. Unexpectedly you lost. Saksham, Ranveer Singh and Pratyush. Please come here. Okay. Off.
A few minutes later.
Quickly, guys. Harman is just praying somebody in all of them should fail, then I will get that.
Sir, he is not writing fast.
Fast, sir. Okay, ji. Yes, Pratyush. Be careful also. Don't write very fast.
Sir, can I write one more?
No, sir. Good, nice. Yes, Ranveer Singh. Okay, ji. Thank you so much, Ranveer. Okay, ji. So our first sentence is, I study at home because you did off. You just spoke the sentence. You said, I did not study at home, sir. And the same sentence I wrote here. And you could not make it. So he has written Pratyush. Pratyush has written this sentence. Okay. I did not study at home because of you. Next one is, I did not study at home because you off. Okay, so the winner is very clear. That is Pratyush. Congratulations. Huh? Two of you. Okay, ji, turn back.
Sir, now it will take another hour. Sir, अगर ये दोनों fail हो गए तो फिर मेरी
Yes. Yes. You guys will not get much time now. You guys have just 1 minute.
Sir, I already got it.
Quickly, you can't take time to think when you are here. Calm down. It's okay. Don't be nervous. Relax.
The time is over.
No.
1 minute. 100
If you raise it once again, okay, you will be out quickly.
Sir, he's writing so slowly.
What is this word? Can me on? Okay, sir, go there.
Sir, can I also?
No. Okay, ji, both of you failed. Kindly have the seat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of you, please come.
The Harman is out.
Harman Bhaiya is not out.
No, sir, I got revival.
Okay. Please, 2 of you this side, 2 of you this side.
In option 1.
Okay, ji.
A few minutes later.
सर कॉपी में लिख लूँ फटाफट लिख लूँ
नहीं sir, do
यहाँ
it.
पे
It's okay, I know your handwriting issues, but you can try. Okay, ji, congratulations, Harman ji. It's a right sentence. Sir, there. Stand here and then do it. Nice. Okay, guys, turn back. Easy or tough?
पर आपका
No, I'm asking for the next one. Yes. He's saying इतना दिमाग लगा के यार मेरा तो नहीं. Okay, जी. Okay, जी.
A few minutes later.
Okay, ji. It's also right. Although it was like I am there where I have to be, but it is also making sense. I have to be there where I am. Okay, so that's also right. Congratulations, Pratigya. I'm so sorry, both of you. You lost. Okay. So next round is gonna be about a tongue twister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay.
Start from that sequence.
Okay, Arav and Pratyush, please come here. So we have the tongue twister here. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Okay. So let's start with Arav. You have to do it at least 10 times. Come here.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry, yellow lorry,
Okay,
red
sir.
lorry,
10
yellow.
times it's done. Very good. Yes. Please, sir.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red.
Okay, ji. Very good. Both of you have done it 10 times. Nice. Not bad. But he has done it faster, I guess.
Sir, but he said a Rory.
Rory, Rory.
Sir, but I said lorry. Sir,
Okay.
but I said lorry. First he said.
Okay. So for me, it's a tie because both of you have done it well. Okay, let's go for the next tongue twister. The next one is thin sticks, thick bricks.
मैंने time लगाना।
Sir.
टाइम लगाना ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾਨੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ 버ਗਰ ਟਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਆ ਜਾ
Okay, ji. Last 1 minute.
A few minutes later.
Done. Okay, ji.
Thin stick, thick bricks. Thin stick, thick bricks.
Thick. Sir, sorry.
Thin sticks, thick bricks. Thin sticks, thick bricks. Thin sticks, thick bricks.
But you did it, more than him. He did it in he did it once and you did it twice. So that's why you are the winner of this round. Congratulations. Please come here.
Sir, can I speak? देख के हो सकता है?
Can I speak with Dekhke? Yes, you can speak with Dekhke also. Okay, let me know when you are ready. So it is Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Are you ready? Okay, ji.
Fuzzy Buzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy has not ear.
Yeah, you are out. It had to be here. Okay, wait. Let's see how many times does she do it. Please, guys, maintain silence.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Buzzy had no hair. Fuzzy
Okay,
Wuzzy.
thank you so much. Very good, Simran. Congratulations. You won this round. So our next tongue twister is double bubble gum, bubbles double. Okay. You guys have few minutes. Let me know when you guys are ready.
A few minutes later.
Yes.
Double bubble gum, bubbles double. Double
Okay, ji. Only one time.
double bubble gum bubbles double. Double bubble gum bubbles double. Double bubble gum bubbles double. Double.
Okay, so he has done it 3 times, so this is why you are the winner. I'm so sorry, Pratigya. You are out from this round. Okay, ji. So our 3 finalists are Harman, Simran, and Arav. Congratulations, guys. The students who lost can get the chance to win. Oh, sorry, not the win. They will get the chance to play in the final round. Clear? Only one of you can get the chance. Is it clear? So, Harmandeep Singh has spoken for 37 times. Very good, Harman. Nice. Pratyush has spoken for
40.
40 times. And Sahib has spoken for?
More than 40 times, but incorrectly.
Incorrectly. Okay, ji. And
He did not speak.
he spoke for 3 times only?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, Rupali has spoken for
46.
46. And she has bitten all the times. She has spoken for more than 46 times. So this is why our one more finalist is...
She has spoken for 37. She has spoken for
Okay, 37 and
46.
46. So the winner is Aditi. Congratulations, Aditi. And in kids, it is Pratyush. You guys need to find out the mistakes. Whoever will be able to find out the maximum mistakes in 2 minutes will be the winner. It means the final winner. Is it clear? Whoever will win out of you guys will get this car. Okay? Okay, ji. So please pass one sheet to them. Wait.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, give it like this. I'll tell you when to see it. So your time starts now. You guys have 2 minutes. They have to find out the mistakes in 2 minutes in the from the paragraph.
Sir, they have to write the answer also.
No, just simply correct
He
it.
is writing answer also.
You don't need to write the answer, just simply cut and write it down. Yeah, that mistake must be written, corrected properly, the way I do corrections. One minute is left. Last 30 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, the time is over. Next round. Okay, guys, we will declare the winner in few minutes. You guys will get 3 minutes, okay, to find out the mistakes. Whoever will be able to find out the maximum mistakes will get these this Marshall's headphones. Okay, wish you good luck, guys. Your time starts now. Is it working now? One minute is over. Last minute. Last 30 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ji. Write down your name.
सही है मैंने स्टूडेंट
Now,
हर लिख दी हरमन
come here. Any guess who is the winner? Huh? White shirt, T-shirt. So the winner is. Okay, ji. Any guess? Okay, ji. The winner is Arav. Congratulations, Arav. So Arav, here is your RC car. Congratulations. Well played. Very well played. Nice. Three of you, please come. Okay, ji. So first of all, Simran was not able to find out any mistake. This is why Simran is out. Okay. But well played. At least you reached here. Okay, ji. Show me your hands. Very heavy hand. Show me your hand. Okay, ji. So the winner is. Otherwise, it was a neck-to-neck competition. Okay. Both of them played very well, but the winner is Aditi. Congratulations, Aditi. He found 3 right mistakes and she found 4 right mistakes. So this is why, there were 10 mistakes. Out of 10, only 3 you were able to find out and 4 she was able to find out. And the Simran which mistakes she found, those were actually not the mistakes, I guess. Right? So this is why winner is Aditi. Congratulations, Aditi. Here is your Marshall's headphone. Okay, congratulations. और इसमें headphones हैं. Okay. निकाल के दिखा दें. Okay. Okay जी. So here are the headphones. Okay. Congratulations, Aditi. Okay. You can try to wear them. They fit well. Okay ji. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you also want to learn English, then join the next class. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.